Good morning or night, everyone. I hope you're having a blessed weekend so far. Today, I just wanted to take a moment to connect with you all before diving into the purpose of this video. As we all know, life can be challenging, but it's through these moments we find strength and purpose. The past 1.5 years have been incredibly difficult for me. I faced challenges that really pushed me to my limits. Yet through these struggles, I've grown so much closer to God. His presence has brought me a sense of peace and just growth that I never really thought could be possible. And as life has been moving forward, I've realized that I need to have a better life balance overall. After searching for solutions online, I came across a method called the 50-50 lie solution. This simple yet efficient technique is going to save me a lot of time and hopefully you guys as well. So let me walk through you on why exactly this works so good. So the 50-50 lie solution is a method that uses an equal ratio of water and sodium chloride ions, which is typically made by electrolysis. It simplifies the soap making process by allowing you to prepare a bulk solution in advance, making the actual mixing process faster and more precise. So to go even deeper in this, the science behind the 50-50 lye solution is fascinating. The sodium hydroxide is basically the key ingredient in the saponification process, which transforms the oils that you need into soap. This whole entire reaction is exothermic, so when you combine it, it's going to get hot. So you have to be careful. And as this whole process is happening, the molecules are interacting, and then it creates glycerol and soap, which is pretty magical. So to create the 50-50 solution, you of course have to use equal ratio of water and sodium chloride. So for example, if I need 5 ounces of sodium chloride ions, which is like soap activator, so the resulting solution I will actually need for my bulk will be 10 ounces in total of sodium hydroxide. So the reason this works is because the whole 10 ounces is composed of 50% water and 50% sodium chloride. So whatever I weigh, I just have to divide it by half to know how much sodium chloride actually is in it. So this method ensures accuracy and it saves time in every batch. This method though requires careful attention because the solution is more concentrated. So always handle it with caution. The beauty of this approach is that it's both efficient and precise, but you have to be very careful because this is a caustic liquid we're talking about and it's hot. So ensuring that each batch of soap turns out exactly as planned without any guesswork really is what makes this type of method strong. So just like that, the 50-50 lye solution is ready. This method not only saves time, but it ensures consistent results every time I make soap. It's a small change, but it makes a big difference and it saves you time. Many people just buy 50-50 lye solution instead of making it, and the way they buy it is often through other businesses. And this type of method actually is really good because it means that you don't have to go through the most dangerous part of soap making. You just kind of go through the fun bits. So it's just really good overall, but I'm not really at that point where I'm just needing to make so much soap quickly. I do have to do that more now because I am growing, but I'm not so huge yet. So I'm thinking of taking it to the next level when I reach that point by using other businesses for my lye solution, but for now I'm okay with just making it on my own. So thank you all for joining me today. I hope this inspires you to find ways to bring more peace and efficiency into your own life. Even if it's a simple and very small change, its impact can be major. So also remember, you are deeply valued and loved by God, and He's looking down at you with such love-filled eyes at every moment, every time. Have a wonderful day or night, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!